Hey guys, today my destination is Old Dubai. I am in Red Line Mall of Emirates and have to go Creek in Green Line, so I will change metro in Burjaman. And Old Dubai is located on the western side of Dubai Creek. अभी मैं हूँ क्रीक स्टेशन पे और यहाँ से I need to walk for 2 minutes to reach Abra Marine Station. Here I will take Abra boat ride to Festival City और यहाँ टिकट लेने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just need to tap नॉल कार्ड इन मशीन और कट गए आपके सिर्फ 2 दिरहम. दुबई आबरा राइड की बात ही अलग है. दिस इज़ पॉपुलर मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट हेयर. इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट चीप बट ऑल्सो comfortable. I am literally enjoying fresh air and charm of old Dubai. Today I want to explore old Dubai as much as possible. So here I am in Festival City enjoying amazing breathtaking view in such a spacious and peaceful place. Do you know what makes this place special? It's Dubai Festival City Mall. If you are looking for exciting activities and shopping, तो आप बिल्कुल परफेक्ट जगह पे हो. और यहाँ मॉल के बाहर इट्स वेरी कलरफुली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, जहाँ पे नाइट शो होते हैं एंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फूड स्टॉल भी हैं. Now I am going to explore the best of old Dubai on the other side of Creek, and this place is Diera. Well, as you know that I am in Dubai and Dubai is a magnet beauty, but today I am in old Dubai, which is also known as Old Dubai. So let's check out in the souk area what they have like spices, dry fruits and gold. So I'm going to take spices. Diera is all about historic charms, tradition and cultures, and it's also famous for incredible spices and gold souks. Oh god, this aroma attracting of foodie people like me definitely admire spice souk. It's full of local spices. यहाँ सिर्फ स्पाइस ही नहीं और भी बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग और यूनिक लोकल चीज़ें हैं, और अगर आप कुकिंग और फूड में इंटरेस्ट रखते हो तो दिस spice will help you to bring out the chef in you. So this is a trial and this is apricot. So the dry one, right?
bacteria on the fire, bacteria and
does this have a good fragrance?
says Rubian, and fire room is very small. Chili.
Okay, kind of cocoa and all, yeah.
Rice,
Nutmeg?
nutmeg, lavender,
Without shell, right?
without shell. Lavender flower,
Oh, what we are using this one?
lavender flower tea.
And dressing also, right?
As Bengali tea, it's a red chili.
Yeah. Well, Bengali. I'm Bengali.
As indigo use.
This is for what?
This
क्या
used
करते
to
हैं?
face इसको हम कपड़े पे डालते हैं.
हाँ,
फेस पे लगाते हैं.
इसको फेस पे लगाते हैं. लगाने से क्या होता है?
फेस पे जाता है. तो रोगी हो रहा है.
सीरियसली प्रेशर आता है This कितना मतलब जैसे if I like खा गया वो खा
10 dirham 100.
10 dirham 100 gram okay if I want to take a little less like 5 dirham 50 gram I can take that right okay
5 grams.
I have few things over there also right same
Yes.
the same thing right
Same.
okay you have any like dry fruits they have a lot of dry fruits. So, is this very cheaper than the city price, or it's very costly over here?
Very costly.
Costly here also.
Camel milk. Very nice, yummy. थोड़ा दे दो माने कस्टमर ले Don't eat saffron?
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
in India say kesar. You know
Yeah,
kesar?
kesar, yeah.
This is made powder for rice, but this you can put tea, coffee, and beans. Very healthy. This is top quality.
Lemon, try lemon. I guess.
All red kesar, saffron.
From where this came actually?
Iran. It's from
Iran.
Iran. The top quality. Two, three pieces each.
It will be bitter in taste.
Little bitter, but very good for health. This is good for immune system, you know.
Good for
This
skin
is
also.
expensive spice in the world. Saffron. Gold, red gold.
Even saffron is most costlier than gold.
Low price.
Okay.
They have garden in Iran. 5, 6 Drink water. एक पानी दे दो तो पी लो.
Oh yeah, water यहाँ पे डाली.
I give you this new water for you. Special. Dubai water.
दूसरे ड्राई वो ले लेमन दूसरे ग्रीन वाले
ये वाला लेमन ज़्यादा fresh उसको smell आ रहा है.
Smoke.
Yeah, smoky kind of lemon.
This better.
Yeah, that's
Then
it.
how to cook this?
I don't know whether I will cook this or not. I can eat it like this itself because I love lemon so much.
You can eat also direct.
Yeah.
It's dry lemon.
long time sleep.
I know. It's not for a sleep. This is good for a stomach. This stomach relax. Madagascar pudding for pudding, ice cream, cake.
So it's a kind of wetty kind of, right? Okay. Discount भी करो please.
डिस्काउंट करेगा भाई
अच्छा तुम्हारे साथ पैसा में ये मुश्किल नहीं फ्री
This is the gift.
Again, I took Abra boat from Diera to Meena Bazaar. And guys, this is a dough cruise with open air upper deck, live singer and buffet on board. You can also include this creation in your activity. बाज़ार और यहाँ लोग कहते हैं पाक लियारी is the very famous Pakistani restaurant and they serve best biryani at unbelievable price.
तो ये कब से चल रहा है दुबई में? 2006 है।
2006.
ओके
16 years, more than 16 years they have experience. More than 16 years. तो जैसे ये पाकिस्तान का कोई ब्रांच पाकिस्तान में हमारी कोई ब्रांच इंशाल्लाह जल्दी बनाएंगे। पाकिस्तान में हमारी कोई दुबई में 4 ब्रांच है, दुबई में हमारी पाकिस्तान में कोई ब्रांच नहीं। इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर हमारा प्रोग्राम है हमारा ब्रांच ही पाकिस्तान में।
Thank you. Dun-dun-dun. So this is a Pak Liyari. Biryani lovers should come here, and I'm going to taste biryani here. That Pak Liyari is the best biryani seller. So मैं बैठी हूँ Pak Liyari में. What I can see here for mutton biryani, the price is only 15 dirham.
बिरयानी सच में बहुत टेस्टी है और एक पाकिस्तानी बटलर ने हमें पाकिस्तानी कोल्ड ड्रिंक भी सजेस्ट किया जिसका नाम है पकोला एंड पकोला पीने में भी मज़ा आया. वी हैड अ गुड टाइम हियर.
Now we are looking for a bus or a metro to go back to our hotel, and the video ends here for today. And tomorrow I'm gonna go for Platinum Heritage, that is a desert safari. So stay tuned and watch my next video.